Okay, right. So to convert like decimal values to binary, so right, for example, to take the 13, we have to take combination of 2 power 3, 2 power 2, and 2 power 0. So 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 0 is 1. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, right? So remaining, okay, these are 0. Now we will write in a single line, okay? So to write a 10 decimal value to binary, what is the value we have to write? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, right? Double 0, double 0, right? And 1, 0, 1, 0 plus. What about the 11 value? Double
0
0,
0 0 0 1 0 1 1.
1, 0, 1, 1. What about the 12?
0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0.
Right? What about the 13?
0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1.
1, 1, 0, 1, right? Okay. Right? Now we converted this 10 dot, 11 dot, 12 dot, 13. This dotted decimal value to we converted to binary, right?
Binary.
Okay. Dotted decimal value to binary we converted. Fine. So what is our class A network range?
0 to 127.
Right. 0 to 127. So what is IP? Our IP address belongs to either class. For example, I can write here 0 to 127 and 128 to 191. Okay. So what our IP belongs to which class? Class A or class B?
Class A.
Class A.
Right? Because our range is 0 to 127, like 0, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 127. Okay. So 10 is part of this 0 to 127. It belongs to 120. It belongs to class A.
Class A.
What about if I give IP 125 dot 10 dot 10 dot 10? This is part of which class?
Again, Class A.
Class A, because our range is till 127. 125 is comes under the 0 to 127, right? So again, it is,
Yes.
for example, if we'll take 180 dot 10 dot 11 dot 12, this is part of which class?
Class B.
Class B. So now we are clear, right? By seeing the first octet itself, we can decide whether this IP belongs to class A or class B or class C or class D or class C. Anyhow, class D and E, we won't deal much, not much, we won't deal. Class A and class B and class C, we regularly deal with. So if we, mostly we have to remember these ranges, okay? And
Okay.
whenever like you will see sometimes range 10 dot, okay, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot slash 24, they will say, okay, my subnet mask is slash 24. Slash 24 means with inform, right? Each IP address is a like total 4 octets, right? For example, I'll clear this. So IP address is like a combination of 4 octets. Okay, octet 1, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 octets. 4 octet. Each octet contains 8 bits, right? 8 bits. So our IPv4 Total, it's a 32-bit range. How it will become 32? 8 plus, same this 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, 32, right? Now, to convert this 24, like if someone will ask you, 24, what is the IP, what is the subnet mask for this 24? First, divide into 4 octets, okay? Okay, now we will divide 4 octets. I'll clear this, okay? Or else I'll write here. We'll divide into 4 octets. So each octet, so how many octets will come under this 24? How many combination of 8s will become 24?
3.
3, right? So 3, if we add 3 IPs, 24 will come. So means 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus, since our subnet mask is like our it is 24, and if we can divide it, 38 plus 0 means it is our subnet mask will be like, so 8 means total full values, right? This complete octet is filled. If one complete octet is filled, what is the total maximum value? If you can include these all IPs, what is the maximum IP visa? 255. So all 3 octets are filled with 8 bits, means these 3 octets are filled. So 255 dot 255 dot 255. Okay. If it is /16, what is the value? What is the subnet mask we can get here?
255.255.00.
Right. So since it is a 16, if we divide into again octets, first octet will come as 8, second octet will be 8, and remaining are 00. Okay. So these 2 octets are completely filled. So 255.255.0.0. Similar way, if it is 18, only 1 to 55 will come. Just like this similar, I'll give one example. Where is, let me clear this. Okay, you can see, right? /8 means this is the range. /16, this is the range. So we can get multiple ranges. Okay, we can calculate that as well. And someone will ask you like, they will give in class A, in a standard class A, like how many networks is possible, right? You can use this formula. Okay, 2 power n, 2 power n minus 2. Okay, so 2 power this n, it replaced with number of host bits, okay, or host octets. So here in class A, we have one network bit, 3 host bits, right? So 8 plus 8 plus 8, how much? 24. 24 minus 2, right? Who is pinging? Okay. So in class A, it will be like even one more shortcut is there before, instead of this, you going this all. So simple, you can take network bits. From network bits itself, we can get the number of networks. But we have to use the formula -1. Sorry, -2 only. But it is divided, right? Okay, just give me 1 second. Right. You can do total values from you can take. So for example, total number of networks, network bits are 1 in class A. So 1 octet is filled, or 8. So we can do -1. Why? Because 1 network bit we have, right? Like total 7. So 2 power 7 you can take. Similarly, class B, we have total 16. So how many network bits we have? 2. So total 14. 2 power 14, right? If someone will ask you in class A, class B, how many networks are possible, just you remember this formula. I'll try to give more precisely tomorrow. Okay, so by this way we can remember. Okay, in real time you will not deal regularly, but we need to aware of it. Okay, this even we have online tools, but first we need to aware. Okay, right, till here we are fine. We'll go back again. Right, so now we understood how to convert from decimal values to binary. Right, for example, shall we try by identifying the, like, how to identify the network ID? So we'll take same IP again. I cleared everything, right? So 10 dot 11 dot 12 dot 13 we will take. Okay, so in class A, this belongs to class A, because if you see the first octet self A, we'll get to know this range belongs to class A. In class A, total how many network bits we have? One network bits. So this is the network bit, and remaining all are host bits. Okay, remaining all are host bits. So we learned earlier, like we discussed, like network bits denoted with 1 and host bits denoted with, are indicated with 0, right? So this network, this octet is a network. First octet is a network. Okay, in class A we have only one network octet. So total how many 8 bits will be there, right? So total 8 ones we have to give here. 3 plus 2 5 plus 6 7 8. So remaining all are zeros. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, 2 4 6 8. I'll tell you why I'm giving this. Just cooperate me. So now you guys can tell, right, immediately what is the 10 value means how many, right? We'll go directly since we practiced already. So total, let's say fine, right? 4 plus 4 8. So this is the our standard class A conversion. Okay, only first octet is network bit, remaining 3 octets are host bits. Fine. So now again this IP we will convert. Okay, 10 means combination of 2 power 3 plus, how to get the 10 value in like binary values, which combination of numbers will get the 10? 2 power 3
2 power
8.
3, 2 power 2.
Okay, 2 power 1 will get here, right? 2 power 3 8. 2 power 2 means it will come 4, means 8 plus 4 it will become 12. So 2 power 2 will not come, 2 power 1 will come. Okay, so except this we'll write here. Oh, okay. Only first we'll calculate this, okay, to understand more easily. Right, okay, now so 0 0 0 0. Okay, right, and 1 0 1 0. So now we will apply the AND logic. Okay, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. Okay, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is the 10, right? 10, fine, plus Now what is the value for 11? 2 power 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Right? So now we'll convert for this. Let these all will be like this. Sorry. So now we are dealing with the host bits. So host bits all are 0, 0, 0. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8. Now what is the combination for 11? What is the combination? 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 power 3, 8. It will be also 0 and 1 and 1, right? So 8 plus 2, 1 plus 1. Okay. So double 0, double 0, double 0, double 0. Fine. Then 1, 0, double 1. Now use the AND logic. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All are zeros. So what is our second octet is 0. Same third octet as well. So what is the combination for 12? Double 1, double 0, right? So double 0, double 0, 1, 1, double 0, right? Same again, right? Double 0, double 0. Okay. Then 8 plus 4, 12. 1, 1 and 0, 0. Now you can perform the AND logic. What is the value? 0, 0, 0, 0. All are 0, 0. Same for 13, right? So 1, 0, double 1. 1, 0, double 1. Just will modify this, right? Again, these also all zeros. Anyhow, if you multiply 0 with anything, it is 0. So zeros. What is our subnet network ID looks like? 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0. Okay. So whenever in the network, when you are using the multiple IPs from this network ID, your IPs will change. For example, 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0.2, but your network ID is same. So to identify the network ID, this is the process. First, you convert your IPs to uh, decimal IPs to binary. Then, as per the class, you have to divide. For example, if it is class B, first two octets are network bits. Okay, again here all ones will come. Okay, this way we have to identify. Right? Shall we go for lab? Yes, no, or we'll stop. But I have to think whether yes or no. Yesterday we worked on this, right? Yesterday after the class, I given the networks to all these things. Okay, so I use the 20.20.20 network and 10 network, 30, 40, 50, and 60, 70. Okay, fine. So now, whether we'll see whether IP is assigned to PC or not. Okay, we given IP. If we given IP here, okay, default gateway we given here IP. Okay, this is for IPv6. We no need. We'll see. We'll get any IP from here. IP config slash all. So this we will use to see the IP address. Okay, IP config slash all. If you can see IPv4 address, IPv4 address is not learning here. Then we'll go to router 0. We'll see what are the IPs we assigned there. Okay, CLI enable to see the interface status or what is the IP address, and we will use this command show IP interface brief. So we assign 20.20.1 in router. We also assign 20.20.1 at system as well. Better we'll change this IP. Config will go. Okay, we given as default gateway, that's fine. Okay, we will assign the IP address here. Okay, we'll give 20.20.20.10. Okay, and subnet mask will give 255.250. We'll see whether it will take or not. Okay, gateways of, so the next hop is row.1. So this is the gateway we given. Right. Okay. We'll go here again. We'll give same command. Okay. Now it is taking the 20.20.10, right? So now we will see whether this PC is reachable to this router or not. 10 dot, what is the gateway? 20.20.20.1. Is it reachable? Right. So what is the, how many packets we send now? Yesterday we discussed, right, how to analyze the ping response. Can someone say like how many packets we sent and how many we received?
Four
Even if,
packets sent and
yeah.
4 packets sent,
So we
received
always
4 packets.
observe here, okay, when after pinging, we always how to see this output, how many packets we sent, how many we received. Okay, this way we have to see. Again, the next IP also we will see what is the IP given here. We are in 0, gig 000, we'll see. We'll go to router 0. What is the another IP? 10.10.10.1. We'll see from the same machine whether 10.10.1 is reachable or not. Same ping command to test the ping. 10.10.10.1. Yes, it is reachable. So we are able to reachable here till here. Then we will see here as well. Router 3, right? We'll go to router 3 and 000. What is the IP? This whenever I'm saying don't confuse, okay, 000 001. I'm saying these interface numbers instead of reading gigabit ethernet 0/0/0. So just I'm using that only numbers. We'll go to the 3. We'll go to enable and we'll see what is the IP address we assigned here. Show IP interface brief. Okay. Or we need this one 10.10.3. So that is fine. Then we will reach other side 30.1. We will try this time. Hopefully we will not reach it. We'll see 30.1. Okay. So whenever in your real time, no, just these are the general output you will see. Either you will get the response, and again you can read out this here. you send the 4 packets and but received 0. And how many packets are lost? All. So we sent 4 and last 4. 100% we lost. What is the error message it is giving? Destination host unreachable. So it is trying to reach the destination, but after going at certain router, it don't know where it need to move. So that's why it is giving the destination host unreachable. Then we'll go to router 3. This is the router 3. Generally, there is one command is there. We'll see whether that is applied or not. Show running config pipe include. So to filter the configuration, we can use this. Okay, IP route. So we give an IP, but our next network is 30 network. So we have to. What is this IP route is? We are telling this. You direct route towards this destination network 40.40.40 with the range we discussed, right? Subnet mask in subnetting we can restrict it. So till what subnet we can able to reach, so we are restricting here. So only /24, so 0 to 255, 40.40.0 to 40.40.40.255, only these IPs you have to reach. After that, if 40.40.41 will comes, we no need to reach. Okay, so that's what we are telling. And we advise that hey, the next stop is here, you can go via like this, right? Now we are in router 3. We'll go again to our map. Where is on this is the 30 network. Mm. So here to here we have anything. Go to router 0. Okay, from router 0 we'll try to ping 10 dot, sorry, 30 dot. First we'll see router, then we'll go see host to router. Okay, from our router itself it is not reachable, so there is no point in expecting from the our system. So then we will give the IP route here. So we will give IP route. So we are saying route my traffic to destination network 30.30 dot. We'll give whole network 0 with a subnet mask 255.255.255. So I want to reach only 30.30.0 to 30.30.30.255, right? And what is the next hop? For example, we'll go to our router 0. This is our router 0. What is our next hub? Gigabit Ethernet 000. So if you go here, gigabit Ethernet 00, 10.10.10.10, what is the IP configured here? Right, 10.10.10.3 is configured. So we'll give next hop is 10.10.3. Oh, we have to go router 0, right? Okay, 10.10.10.3. So I'm telling you take next hop as this one. So you use this. It is connected to your it is connected to you. So using this network, go and reach this 30 network. Okay, we'll see. Fine. We'll exit this. We'll see now whether it will be reachable or not. Yes, now it is reachable, right? Why first packet is last? So it will test it. For the first packet, we haven't received the response. Since it has verified that routing, so now they given the path, they given the roadmap, so I'm good to go. So that's why it is able to go. We'll see whether from our machine we are able to ping or not. So anyone observing like how many types of messages we are getting? In first case, we saw total output like TTL value. In second case, we saw destination unreachable. In third case, it is packet itself dropping. Here destination host unreachable means here the TTL value is expired, right? So based on these errors also we have to troubleshoot. Okay, if destination host is unreachable. So somewhere it is not finding the roadmap. Okay, So here itself, it is not connecting. So again, we'll go to router 0. From router 0, we'll see 20.20 dot. What is the system IPv given? 10. Okay, from router 0, we are able to reach. Then we'll go to the next router. What is next router? Router 3. Router 3. Okay, this is the router 3. From here also we'll ping to our mission 20.20.20.10. Because router 3 don't know where is my 20 networks. Okay, now we will give the route to this. Okay, config T. What is our destination? 20.20.20 network. What is the subnet mask? 255.255.0. What is the next hop where we are configuring router 3? Okay, go to the map. This is the router 3. Okay, what is our exit point? Gigabit Ethernet 000. But we won't give it. Better we'll try with this 10.10.1. I think router 0, right? We'll go router 0. We'll give 10.10.10.1. Then we'll test. Ten dot 10.10.10.1 we'll try. If not, then we'll give next type. Somewhere is mistake. Okay, I haven't wrote that statement. IP route. Okay, it's saying inconsistent. Okay, we'll give network. Okay, what mistake we did? We are pointing. We are saying for this IP, but we are giving subnet mask this. So that is the mistake we did. Okay, we'll give again to whole network. Now we took right. So do ping 20.20.10. Yes, now it is reachable. We'll see from the mission. Up arrow, hit enter. Right? Is it reachable now? Tell me now you are getting response or not by saying the output, right? We are reachable or not now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please open your mouth and speak, okay? Else I can see at least you are listening. Or at least I'm audible to you. If you're silent, no, I'm not able to understand anything. Right?
Yes, sir. It is
So
reaching.
every time, whenever your route is